YouTube is super cool too. Update 1 on the snowstorm is here in NYC, December 13th to the 14th, 2013. It is about 6:30 p.m. right now. I'm just riding my bike home. And I was looking out the window of my friend's house. It's not too far away from my house, but and you know, I didn't really see any snow. I go outside, the wind's blowing, the snow's blowing like hell. Holy. So you know, it's a tough bike ride home. Back brake I just saw. It's kind of broke. My tires are low, so it's kind of hard ride home. I'm sliding in all the snow and everything. But anyway, so much colder now. The wind's definitely picked up, and it's actually right now. It seems the wind stopped for a bit, but it was blowing very fast. The wind when I was on my way back. I just got back a few minutes ago. And so over here, a lot of people have been salting snow, so I can't really get a good estimate how much it was. On the other blocks coming down, no one shoveled their snow. You can see the update. Big estimate, because I was seeing my bikes go through the snow. It's about maybe 3 inches so far, 2-3 inches. So, yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's a nice storm. First, I think it's the best sound we've had so far. Hopefully, by midnight, have a lot more snow. There's not a lot of people out right now. Plus, it's only 6:30, so obviously there isn't much people. The snow's accumulating. Streets are doing okay. It's getting just slushy. We'll really have another till 6 a.m. in the morning. It's gonna go too. So. I'll stand in the street for a second. It's not hot cars. Should be okay. I don't know why, this kind of reminds me of the snowstorm, the blizzard we had on Christmas Day. That's one, my video got like 70,000 views, which I was surprised at. Actually, might be a good estimate of snow right here. You know what's coming out the side. Yeah, you see how thick it is just coming out the side. There's much more. Yeah, that's the end video, guys. Stay tuned for updates. We'll post one later on. Probably maybe 7 p.m. or 12 midnight. So that's thanks for watching, YouTube. Make, comment, subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned for updates. If you haven't seen update 1, links in the description. I'm sorry, the first video, update 1. Bye bye.